weche mag ohala jotelo mawuok Kimbo mar Kenya urwako ng'eto mar doho machungo chenro mar uso ne joket mwandu kambi ma sukari manzoia kod lowo mar eka 1014 manie kaunti ma Bungoma. Kotenli kod ogai maduong' bura mar DAP-K Eugene Wamalwa gipuoyo okang' makamano ka giwacho ni en loch manyiso ler kod tim makare. Weche mabende osir kod jalup ogai mar DAP-K Afula Munyinyi mokoni dwaro nitiere mondo od bura mamalo puodh paro mar chik mar sukari kaka yo maneno ni kembe sukari okousi ne ji giwegi.
That order stops in the tracks whatever process was ongoing, and as the case goes on, would want to see this government respect those court orders. We have seen impunity where court orders have been issued, but the government has ignored court orders.
Sasa kitu mimi nataka kuuliza tu kwa ufupi. Serikali, please implement the Sugar Act and stop selling the factories. Hiyo si kitu liahidi utafanya ukiingia mamlaka.
Unatumia terminologies mingi. Mara privatization, mara leasing, mara yote ni kuuzwa. Sababu hawezi peana leasing for 50 years renewable. Alafu unasema kwamba tumekodesha tu. Tungependa kuambia sisi kama vijana wa jamii ya mkoa wa Magharibi, we will not allow ourselves to go in history having presided over the sale of our heritage. Mambo haya yako kotini na tuko na imani sana na koti zetu kwamba inaenda kuhakikisha kwamba